It's Kathy's.
I want a tie to go with this suit.
A blue tie is good with a gray suit.
Do you enjoy watching documentaries?
Yes, especially ones about nature and wildlife.
What do you want to do tonight?
I would like to go see a movie.
How long have you been feeling like this?
Just today.
Why don't you get up today?
I already had a rest and I want to get more sleep.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
I have an older brother.
What's your nationality?
Mexico.
Have you seen the doctor?
Not yet.
Do you only accept cash?
We also accept credit cards.
Do you enjoy going to karaoke nights?
Yes, belting out favorite tunes is liberating.
Excuse me, where is the subway station?
Over there.
What time does the bus leave for the airport?
I don't know.
Have you ever tried ziplining?
Yes, it was an adrenaline rush.
How do you go to school every day?
I walk to school on foot.
What day is today?
It's Sunday.
What's your favorite documentary?
Planet Earth series is awe-inspiring.
Eat everything.
Thank you for cooking so much delicious food.
Where did you visit?
I only had time to visit Edinburgh.
Your words are beautiful. My father forced me to practice calligraphy for several years when I was young.
I heard you have a short work time every day.
What time did you arrive there?
We arrived a few minutes after 4 o'clock.
How are you?
I've been better, to be honest.
How many scenic spots shall we visit today?
3.
This restaurant has good food.
I agree, everything is yummy.
I go abroad for touring every year.
Where are you going this year?
How did you like the song?
The melody is great.
Have you ever tried paddleboarding?
Yes, it's relaxing gliding across the water.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am.
Where are you going?
To the library.
This bridge was built 2 years ago.
This bridge is new compared to that bridge.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian cuisine.
He knows a lot about animals.
He has 3 dogs, 5 cats, and a bird.
Do you enjoy going to food festivals?
Yes, tasting different cuisines is always exciting.
What time does the library open?
9:30.
We would like to stay here tonight.
You are welcome to stay in the extra bedroom.
What is your marital status?
I'm single.
Take your temperature.
Oh man, 39 degrees.
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
Yes, it's both physically and mentally challenging.
Where is my tablet?
On the sofa.
Do you like Mexican food?
Yes, I like it very much.
Have you ever gone scuba diving?
Yes, I have gone scuba diving.
What line of work are you in?
I'm in the tech industry.
What will it be after the clear weather?
It says a storm may come next month.
How did your physics exam go?
Not bad, thanks.
I gave you the medicine for 5 days.
You are advised to have a good rest and take the medicine on time. Thank you very much.
Why don't you go to work today?
We have vacation today.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl.
Could you please give me that book?
Sure, here it is.
Is that true?
I heard it from the boss.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip, it's so refreshing.
What's your favorite camping activity?
Roasting marshmallows by the campfire.
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
Yes, it's a great way to challenge yourself.
I lived with my grandmother when I was a child.
She brought me up. Me too, so I have a good relationship with my grandmother.
Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, it was an unforgettable experience.
Take the garbage down when you go downstairs later.
No problem.
Who are you writing to?
I'm writing to an old friend.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
What's your dream travel destination?
I've always wanted to visit the Maldives.
What's your motto in life?
Never give up on your dreams.
Have you ever gone ziplining?
Yes, it was an adrenaline-packed experience.
Do you enjoy going to book fairs?
Yes, discovering new authors is exciting.
I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat?
Cook 2 eggs.
How far is it from here?
It is about a 10-minute walk.
What do you do every day?
I work from 9 to 5 and then go to the gym.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by credit card.
It looks like snow.
Yesterday the weather was sunny, and today it is snowing.
You have a good taste.
Do you really think so?
Do you enjoy going to outdoor concerts?
Absolutely, there's something magical about live music outdoors.
What's your favorite music?
Rock music.
What's your favorite thing to buy at farmers markets?
Locally grown honey is always a treat.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I enjoy jogging.
Do you like going to street festivals?
Yes, their vibrant atmosphere is contagious.
What's on your mind?
It's not your business.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
I'm afraid it will rain.
Don't forget your umbrella.
I can't understand this English passage.
Please translate it for me.
Have you ever tried indoor rock climbing?
Yes, it's a great workout for both body and mind.
May I please have a receipt?
For a moment, please. Excuse me.
I helped her wash dishes.
He dried the plates and cups with a towel.
Sorry, I can't go for I have something tomorrow.
Okay, let's do it another day.
I drank so that I can't drive.
I'll do it.
It rained hard all day.
We cannot go to the park when it rains.
Don't forget, we're invited out to dinner tonight.
Oh, I almost forgot. Thanks for reminding me.
Do you like attending poetry slams?
Yes, it's inspiring to hear spoken word artists.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
Brie, it's creamy and delicious.
What time does the bus leave for the airport?
I don't know.
When will you come?
About 5 p.m.
When do you play tennis?
I play tennis every Sunday morning.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle.
Glad to see you again.
I hope everything is good.
What time is it?
It's 2:30 p.m.
Is that store far from the company?
About 10 minutes on foot.
By the way, are you free this afternoon?
I am free after 3 p.m. to get coffee.
Did you find your phone?
Yes, I found it in the quilt.
What specialties does your hometown have?
There is chrysanthemum tea in my hometown.
We'll graduate in a week.
Yeah, man, how time flies.
Excuse me, where is the subway station?
Over there. Excuse me, where is the subway station?
What do you like best, apples, pears, or bananas?
Apples.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.